everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And well, friends, another solid week on the markets. And the reason for that is the capital inflows. They keep coming in, especially at the small end of town. And we here at 180 Markets, we are seeing our bidding numbers up 5 to 10-fold. And so we are certainly participating. We are getting access to so many capital raises right now, and it is really a very exciting time. And Shaun, what did you see on the markets this week?
The fun continues. There's been movers from every angle, not just gold and silver, but we've had uranium stocks going nuts this week, and even lithium is going back up again. But we had a great week here. We interviewed the champion, Mr. Chris Judd, and we will be releasing a recording next week. And just as exciting as that, we will be launching our new platform next week. We are really excited because there's a lot of cool new features that you'll see next week. Let's take a look at the screens. Here we are at the 180 Markets platform. Now, as we've said before, we are getting a new website, and that's about to launch in about a week, so really looking forward to it. This one's been great, but we're on to better things, aren't we, Greg?
That's right.
EMV, they hit the market this week, $8 million, and there was a nice discount there, and it was extremely popular on the platform. So, a different type of company to what we used to, 198 million market cap. So, hopefully EMV is going a lot higher because I took a few myself.
Okay.
NUZ, Neurazon. Greg, I heard you know quite a bit about this.
Yes, $5 million raised here, interim financing, because October 3rd, Shaun, is a very big day. They are on a docket with the FDA.
Correct. And AR9 did some sub-underwriting. They allowed us to sub-underwrite. And ATT did a 2-tranche placement. Live on the platform. I've never heard of this one, DAI. Have you, Greg?
I believe it's an artificial intelligence company. The stock has been on a tear, though.
Now, I've heard of this one, Way to Vat. Good luck, Amos, if he's still there, our mate Amos. He's a legend. They're raising money at market price, no discount. They do have some big names there, so will be interesting to see. But Amos loves raising money. Amos, you don't want to dilute too much, but good luck. Impact. Now, this is one that we followed for a long time.
Yes.
Our good mate, Mike. When we're talking about legends, Mike's a legend, and we know he watches this. Hitting the market again, Mike. Do we call him serial raiser?
No.
Not yet. Hopefully, Mike, you can get the full 3 million and more, raising a 0.65 with a free 1-for-1 option.
That's right.
Good luck, Mr. Jones. Hopefully.
HPA project in Lake Hope, Mike.
That's right. All right, let's go straight to the Iris because here is a mover. Now, LRD, Lord Resources. Now, someone's coming to the screen, Greg, and
yes.
you got to feel really proud of this guy behind us because he picked it
before
this move. Brad, tell us why you liked it before and what happened after.
Thanks, Shaun. We've been LRD for a fair while now. Recently, they did complete a shortfall at fairly simple of a market price, so it was done at 1.8, and they did some board changes there. So some reputable people joined and was paying close attention, and it was a low EV play. They were doing some RC drilling and a couple diamonds as well. So that the risk to reward at 2.5 cents wasn't that bad.
So they hit 20 meters of copper, Brad. Were the grades good?
Well, these are just the visuals. So obviously we're seeing that copper visual mineralization, and the assays are going to be expected in October. So
cool, Brad. Well done, Brad. Go the Lions tomorrow night, Brad. Hope you're crying after the game. Sorry, Greg, I know you do like Collingwood as well, but I really want a Brisbane Geelong grand final. I don't like Hawthorn and Collingwood. All right, SKK, massive move. Look at that, Greg. Look at that chart.
Wow.
We don't know the prices in there, but it was trading at 0.4 earlier this week, and they announced that Robinhood selected them for their banking solution.
Yes.
So Robinhood, obviously one of those US platforms.
That's right.
This one just has been amazing, tenfold in 2 days. Now, KGD, one I'm really happy about, not because we're not holding, but we did have this on the platform about 3-4 weeks ago. We did give investors the opportunity to cornerstone, and look at that. Now that's awesome. That's up 4 times from the placement price. And yeah, I mean, well done to anyone that's still holding.
That's right.
It's done. I actually was a bit hesitant with this one, but they proved me wrong, and we do know we've got a lot of investors that like it, and that's the beauty of 180, Greg. When
Yeah.
we don't like something, others do, and they can be perfectly right.
And there's
we've
access
seen
to
here,
all.
access to everything. Let's take a look at Sunrise Energy. Now, Greg, you actually met with them during the week.
I did.
Tell us what they said.
Well, they upgraded their mineral resource estimate by 2 times over, Shaun, and this really has taken the market by storm, especially considering their high grades and very short global supply.
That's right. And we followed them quite a while back over here, and you were telling me that it's going to cause other stocks in the sector to run.
That's right.
So we took a punt on the Scandium play, AUZ,
Yes.
and it's followed the run up. We did the raise of 0.8 with some options and hit 1.5 cents. I think it even hit 1.6 earlier the week. So well done to investors that sold near the top. They doubled their money and they got free options as well.
Right.
Yeah, hopefully Andrew at AUZ keeps it pumping, and we do know they got some news coming up. So yeah, let's go, Andrew. Now, Greg, XSO, you wanted me to bring this up.
I did, Shaun, and this is very, very important because this is the small cap index in Australia, and you can see on that chart the wave of capital coming in. And when you see a lot of money coming to small capitalization companies, Shaun, it causes that supply-demand imbalance that we absolutely love.
So what would be great is if it keeps going, because that just would mean that we keep having fun. Loving the market as it is, but got to be cautious at the same time. Yeah, I mean, let's hope it continues. Greg, anything planned for the weekend?
Well, tomorrow night or tomorrow late afternoon,
Go to Lions.
there is a game on TV.
Are you going with your son?
I am not going, but I will know the scores afterwards.
So will I, and I'll be wearing my Lions scarf and just hoping. All right.
Hope is not a strategy, Shaun.
Yeah, I know that. Have a great weekend, everyone.
Bye-bye.